What's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you some common fixes for your Epson EcoTank printer not being able to connect to the Wi-Fi. Now guys, if you have tried all of the methods to connect to the Wi-Fi and they aren't working, then I would recommend watching this video. But guys, what I would recommend first is trying every possible method of connecting to the Wi-Fi. If you haven't tried it yet, and what I would recommend is just connecting via your mobile phone and by using the mobile phone app to connect to the Wi-Fi. This can be done on an iPhone or Android, guys, and it's like an easy setup. The app guides you through the whole process, but we do have a video down below which guides you through the whole process, and this might help if your printer itself can't connect to the Wi-Fi because it kind of streams your phone Wi-Fi onto your printer. So if you're having trouble, then I would definitely recommend doing that. But guys, if that's not working and none of these methods are working, then I'm just going to show you through some common fixes on how to connect to the Wi-Fi if your printer can't do it. So guys, the first thing I would recommend doing is to get a Wi-Fi extender. Now, if you don't know what this is, guys, is that it helps to extend your Wi-Fi across your house. So if your Wi-Fi router is in another room that your printer isn't in, then I would definitely recommend getting a Wi-Fi extender so that it can reach your printer. Now, these printers don't have a great signal range. They're not great with connecting to the Wi-Fi, so this might be the reason why your printer can't pick up the Wi-Fi. If you're having trouble with your password, guys, I would definitely recommend maybe calling up your Wi-Fi provider, making sure that your password is the same as what you've been using. If your phone is connected to the Wi-Fi, guys, and you can't do the password, then you can actually go onto the settings on your phone. And if you go onto the Wi-Fi, guys, and you press the little information button, then you can actually press on your password and you'll be able to see your password if you can't find what your password is or you can't remember what it is. And then you'll just be able to enter it on the Wi-Fi setup wizard on your EcoTank printer. Now, guys, if you don't know how to access that, all you want to do is find Wi-Fi setup on the menu, press OK, and then do Wi-Fi like that. And then you can go to the Wi-Fi setup wizard. I would also try a WPS setup, guys. If you don't know how to do that, please check our link in the description and I'll show you exactly how to do that. One thing, guys, is that if your Wi-Fi name, this is a really specific one, if your Wi-Fi name has any symbols in it, then I would definitely recommend changing it if you can. It might be a little bit of a complicated process, but the Epson EcoTank probably won't be able to pick it up if it has any symbols in the name. One thing that I'm going to show you now how to do, guys, one thing I definitely recommend doing is unplugging your printer and turning it back on again, plugging it back in after 5 minutes or so. I know, very, very simple if you turned it off and on again, but hopefully it should help. And then once you've done that, guys, follow what I do. You want to go to settings, guys. You want to go to restore default settings and then go to network settings, guys, or you can just clear all data in settings if you want to be safer. But press OK on network settings and then press OK again to restore your network settings to default. So guys, once you've done that, you just want to turn your printer off and on again for the effects to take place. So press OK and then it will turn off. But guys, to be honest, those are the only things that are common when you can't connect to the Wi-Fi. If you're having serious troubles, then I would recommend honestly calling up Epson or returning your printer, as they shouldn't be doing this, and because the Wi-Fi setup should be pretty seamless. If you're having this much trouble, then I would actually just recommend returning your printer if you can. But that is it for today, guys. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. We will try to help everyone out as soon as we can. We love helping you guys out to use your printers. It's what drives us, it's what motivates us. So please leave a comment below, guys. We just love helping you out. But that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Yeah, hope you all have a great day. And yeah, see you in the next one.